Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 with the Huawei AI Live application. Okay, so at the first we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on mobile data, and next we have to open the Play Store on our Android phone or App Store, or when you are using the iPhone, MacBook or iPad. So open the Play Store, and that's how it looks on the Android. Tap on the search pool and then just type AI Live. We have to get this Huawei application from official store on our phone. Of course, when you are using, for example, the Huawei devices, you will get the app gallery instead of the Play Store, because Huawei is still it's based on the Android, but without the Google services, so we cannot find there the Play Store. You have to use the app gallery or the Petal search application also. So as you can see, the download is right here. We can simply open this application. Now there's some kind of a note that I'm without the lock screen, so I'm gonna skip it and I'm gonna continue. There's the permission that we have to accept. Another one, so agree. And as you can see, there's some kind of access to the location. Okay, so let's select while using the app, and that's what we have at the first. That's the update. So that's interesting because on the Android devices with the Play Store, the AI Live application, it's out of date. When you download, you have to get another update. That's really weird, actually. When you get this app on your Huawei devices without the Google Play services, so when you get it from the app gallery, it will be already in this the latest version. So yeah, what we have to do, just get the update. So follow the steps, click on the buttons, and right now we have to just wait until the download will be finished. Okay, let's tap on the settings. Let's enable we have to just allow this app to install from external source. So let's click install another time. Just make this switcher blue, and now be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, there it is. We can just open this application. That's another time, so just keep tapping next and agree, then tap while using the application, and there we are. Right now we are finally in the application. You can log in with your account, but you don't have to actually. So what we have to do right now, just open the case of your earbuds, but of course remember to charge them at least to the 50%. Right here you will find the USB-C input for charging cable. Right here we got the indicator of the earbuds. When it's on the green, it means that everything is fine. So right now we have to move them to the pairing mode. On the right side of the case we can find this button. Let me just catch focus. There it is. You have to click and hold it and take a look inside. It will blink on the white. So right now we can release. Don't close this case. Keep it open. Put it back next to your phone. Right now, in the most cases, you will get automatically notification that the device is detected. But if you don't have, just tap on this plus in the right upper corner, and your phone will scan for the nearby devices. Like in my case, as you can see. Okay, that's some kind of the information that no device found. That's actually interesting. Okay, it looks like my Bluetooth is off. That's weird. So let's turn on Bluetooth. And as you can see right now it works. So I thought that the application will automatically turn on the Bluetooth, but we have to make it manually. So just remember to power on Bluetooth on your device, and after that just make another time with this scan feature on the application. We have to take a look if they are still in the pairing mode. Yeah, they are, because the indicator is blinking. Okay, there is another time that they are not found. We can just go back. Let's try one more time. We are not going to give up for sure. Okay, let's maybe try to add manually. Let's go for, it will be probably other. Yeah, Here we got the FreeBuds Pro 2. So move them to the pairing mode another time, because in my case it just disappear. So the time is over. Click and hold the button, it's blinking. Select FreeBuds Pro 2. We have completed the steps. As you can see, it's blinking. Click next. It's scanning for our device, and there it is. The device is ready to pair. Click next. Accept the pairing request. So as you can see, that's the good point, because it wasn't go well, right? It doesn't go step by step without any problem, and that's very annoying when you are watching the video on the YouTube, any tutorial, and everything goes fine, but in your case it's not working. So as you can see, I have some issue right here, and I show you how to fix them. So I think that will be really good tutorial for you guys. And yeah, as you can see, we are already here in the application. When we tap on the FreeBuds Pro 2, we can enable this over Wi-Fi auto update. So there's some kind of the download, we have to wait. We are connected, so tap on them. And as you can see, here we are. Okay, that's some kind of the update, but I'm gonna skip. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.